Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nova NG1150 all-in-one grooming kit. This is part of Nova's Pro series. This particular device comes with IPX7 rating, which means it is dust and water resistant. This is designed for corded and cordless use. There are 5 removable trimming attachments. It also comes with an LED display and up to 60 minutes of usage time when fully charged. Over here you can see what the different accessories are, and also there is an example of the LED display that's mentioned earlier. This particular grooming kit can be used for body grooming, beard combing, nose trimming, stubble combing, so on and so forth. There are many usage of this. There's also more information over here, but this is obscured by this sticker this particular sticker. And these are the 5 attachments that comes with this particular box. There's a hair trimmer, beard trimmer, body groomer, nose, ear hair trimmer, and a precision trimmer. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. Over here it's written kindly charge it for 8 hours before initial use. You should keep that in mind before you want to use it. But for the purpose of this video, I will show you how it works. Let's pull this out first. So these are the components of this particular box. There you can see we have a base. There are 5 combs over here. There is a comb. There's a lot of stuff. I'll take you through each one of them. This is the charging cable, the power brick basically for this particular trimmer. There you can see. I'm going to put this over here. Next we have a comb. This is a styling comb, and also it looks like a regular comb as well, so you can use it as a regular comb, but this is primarily a barber's comb or a styling comb as we call it. A cleaning brush and a cleaning fluid right over here. These are the 4 comb attachments. There is a 3mm attachment, a 6mm attachment, a 9mm attachment, and also a 12mm attachment. The 5th one is basically a this is basically a 0mm attachment. So this is the most basic comb attachment. Then we have the different adjustable head for this particular trimmer. Okay, first off, okay, I'll come to this in a while. This is the beard trimmer. There you can see. This is the beard trimmer. This is the nose, ear, hair trimmer. There you go. This is a nose, ear, hair trimmer. This is a body groomer. Oh. There you go. This is the body groomer. And there is a precision trimmer as well. You can see this is your precision trimmer right over here. The fifth attachment is actually already with the trimmer, and this is the trimmer in question. There is a glossy black finish on the top and a matte black finish on the bottom. It has a nice ergonomic design to it. It is not a very large trimmer. It's actually pretty compact. This is the power button right over here. I'm going to press on it. The moment I press on it, you will see this LED indicator which says that this particular device has a lot of charge right now. Switch it off. So you can control the different adjustment settings by using this particular button over here. This is the button that you use to control the different adjustment settings. And closer look. Yeah, there you go. This is the power button, and this is for adjusting the blade. There you can see it's going to adjust the blade length. And finally we have the hair trimmer attachment right over here. You can remove it by pressing it like this, and once this comes off, you can wash it under tap water. Not just these, but you can wash any of these particular heads under. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Nova NG1151 all-in-one grooming kit. Thank you for watching.